So the link to the tutorial I found on Pinterest will be in the description box below. And let's start off with some of the materials that we need. Plaster, mixing bowls, mixer, powder dye, mold, and essential oils. I'm using red dye to color Neko's body because in the video, the lady is using oxide coloring, but I don't know what the hell that is. So I googled other ways to color plaster and came across this, and I opted for that instead because red dye is available at Michael's. The instructions for the plaster says that it sets hard in 20-30 minutes. It has a working time of 6 to 10 minutes. Add 2 parts plaster and 1 part cold water. Stir to smooth consistency. Okay, alright, let's try this out. Well, I'm going to use a fruit cup container and I'm going to add 2 cups of this and then 1 cup of water. I also read that you add 1/4 into the mold first and then tap out the bubbles, then you add another 1/4 or maybe the rest. I'm not exactly too sure, but something like that. I'm gonna do the bear first. Oops, it's still chunky. Okay, I don't know if I did this right, but let's just give it a last tap. I'll be back in 10 minutes and then I'll start on the Neko side and I'll also grab a bigger bowl. I spilled a little bit over here. Oh, that one has somewhat hardened. It's like muddy texture. Alright, I'm going to clean that with a wet wipe. Here is my bigger bowl, 2 cups. 1 cup. Cracked. Oh shit. Maybe I should do both of them at the same time. Either way, I'm gonna wait 30 minutes first and see how this turns out. Okay, so it's been over 30 minutes and they feel a little bit warm still and kind of damp. I'm not sure if they're ready or not, but I'm a little bit impatient right now because I feel like they failed. So yeah, let's start with the demolding and see what happened. Ooh, not too bad. There's a bunch of bubbles. Yikes. Do you see the color difference? Maybe I should add more yellow next time. This one came out with, oh, never mind, it has bubbles. Although these aren't completely horrible, I feel like I can do better, so I'm going to try it again one more time and then show you guys the results for that. So I made the shirokumas first, and look at how beautiful they came out. Comparing it to my first one, the first batch, there's 2 things that I did differently this time. The first is that I poured thinner layers, and then the second is I tapped a lot more aggressively. Now I'm going to demold the Nekos. I didn't tap as aggressively, but it looks amazing. The colors aren't as even as I would like it to be. Not sure what I did wrong there, but comparing it to my first one, gently sand the excess parts. I'm going to paint them with acrylic paint. So all the painting has been finished and I'm going to leave it to dry. Okay, everything is completely dry. If you look at the shirokumas, they look really good, right? They look so super cute. But look at what the fuck happened to this shit. Oh my gosh. Like, it's discolored, the paint dissolved. I think Rit dye was definitely not a good choice. I guess it doesn't work. I could kind of dust it off with my finger, but do I really want to do the whole thing like that? Maybe. The first batch is also dusty, as you can tell. I think for next time, I will order some oxide powder online and try it again. But for now, yellow is a fail. White, on the other hand, looks amazing. So now we're going to do the last step, which is adding the essential oils to make it scented. I'm using sweet orange and lemon. The instructions were to basically just drop a bunch and then you let it dry and then you soak it again and then you let it dry. I also read somewhere long ago that you have to reapply the oils every 2 weeks because that's how long the scent will usually last. I'm gonna add my second layer of drops. After it completely dries, I'm gonna go set it up in my bathroom. So the yellow stains did get a lot lighter. As for the smell, it's not really strong. I mean, this could all probably depend on the oils you're using. I bought a cheap one from Walmart. It was like $10 for a pack of 3. I'm gonna add a bit more. Was it orange? Damn, I don't remember. I feel like I'm using the whole bottle. So here is my bathroom, and here are the thingamajiggers. Look at how cute this is. Even the failed ones, you have a home. Ta-da! Here they are. Even though the yellow ones are fail, I still like them a lot. I hope you guys liked my first episode of PINTRIES. This was super exciting and so fun, and it feels like I got something off of my bucket list. I can't wait to do more in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye!